Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove followers on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first thing first, of course, we have to open our TikTok application. Once you have opened your TikTok, you can go to your profile and go to the followers section. Click on those followers, and here you will be able to remove your followers. Choose a follower you want to remove. For instance, I'm going to remove this a follower. We can click on the three dots like this and just simply click on remove this follower. And after you click on this remove this follower, your follower will be removed from the followers list on your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove followers on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.